Hey everyone, this is Abdul. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you 3 different methods to turn silent mode on and off on your iPhone 15 and iPhone 16. This guide will also help those who have bought a second-hand iPhone where the action button might be configured or set to a different function and is not toggling silent mode. So let's get started with the video. The iPhone 15 and iPhone 16 comes with an action button that can control silent mode. If this button hasn't been customized, by default, you can simply press and hold the action button to turn silent mode on. You'll see the silent mode icon appear on the screen. Press and hold it again and it will turn silent mode off. However, if your action button is set to another function and doesn't toggle silent mode, don't worry, you can do it yourself. Here's what you need to do. Go to settings, tap action button and ensure it is set to control silent mode. If it was assigned to a different function, changing it back will allow you to toggle silent mode using this button. If for some reason you don't want to change your action button to turn silent mode but rather want to control something else, you can use the second method I'm going to show you in this video. So for the second method, open settings, scroll down and tap sound and haptics. At the top, you'll see the silent mode toggle. Simply tap to turn silent mode on or off. When silent mode is enabled, an icon appears in the status bar, and when it's off, the icon disappears. There's also a third method. You can access silent mode from the control center. Simply swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center. You'll see a bell icon. Tap it to turn silent mode on or off. When silent mode is enabled, the bell icon will have a line through it, and when it's off, the line disappears. So whether you're using the action button, the settings menu or the control center, turning silent mode on and off is easy. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.